Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can downgrade any app on Android. So if you ever need to downgrade an app on Android, whether it's due to bugs in the latest versions or compatibility issues, this video will show you how you can do it safely. So let's just jump right in. So why downgrading apps might be necessary? There are a few reasons you might want to downgrade an app. First, the latest update is buggy, or the new features are slowing down your device, or maybe you prefer the previous version's designs or functionality. Whatever the reason, let me show you how to do it the right way. So first, you can just uninstall the current versions of the app. So let's just uninstall. For example, I'm going to uninstall this Remini. You can just uninstall it first. But don't worry, we're not going to lose your app data. You can just follow the steps. So you can just go to your settings app. You can go to the settings and find the apps and notifications settings, this one, apps, and then find the app you want to downgrade. So for example, I'm going to uninstall the previous one that I said before, Remini. You can just click on the app, and then here you can just tap on uninstall, click on OK, and this will remove the current versions without wiping data. Make sure that the app data is backed up. So for example, it has cloud backups or Google Drive for app data. So don't worry if you back up your app data. This is just to prepare for the older versions. And next, you can just find and download the older versions. So you can just this is where the third-party sources come in. You can go to a trusted site like APK Mirror or APK Pure. Always avoid risky sites and search for the apps you want to downgrade. So for example, I'm going to go to the APK Mirror. This one, you can just find the apps and find the older versions. Look at the versions number and release date, and once you find the right version, you can just click on the download link and wait for the APK file to finish downloading. And after that, you can just enable the uninstallation from unknown source in your device. So before you can install the APK, Android blocks third-party apps by default. So you want to enable it first by going to the settings and find security or privacy, this one, and then find the install unknown apps section from here, and you can just select the browser you use to download the APK like Chrome and toggle on allow from this source. And after that, you can just install the older versions of the app. So that's how you can downgrade any app on Android in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped, smash the like button, hit subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which apps you are downgrading. Don't forget to also click on the thanks. Bye.